Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I will be sharing with you my trading reviews on cryptocurrencies, gold, and forex. If you are new to my channel, click on the subscribe button Friday. Okay, so let's discuss the trade that I took for Bitcoin USD since Friday, and I took my profits this morning only. So what happens is when the price has went out from the channel, so what I did is I waited for the opportunity for me to buy. So I did not immediately place a buy order here. I waited for it to retest the back of the trend line, and I waited for the trend pro indicator for it to revert back to its uptrend. So the price, my entry is around 48,000. And I took my profits just before 50,000. So I set my profits, I took my profits when the market is has broken this trend line here. Because I have to secure my profits, because I will never know where would, if this would actually be continuing breaking to the upside, or it will continue to test a significant level, which is it tested 45,000 again. So what happened is I took my profits when I saw that the market is forming, starting to form or go into a retracement. So that's the time that I took my opportunity to take my profits from the trade that I entered since Friday. So it basically gave me at least 1,500 pips in terms of move that it gave me. So just like that, it's indeed, and indeed the market has fallen from at this level simply because it is their first time to almost reach 50,000. So I'm expecting that this will form into a correction, and it will continue to do so until the markets will break this channel again. So when it will break this channel and it will test this trend line. I will wait also for my trend pro indicator to also revert back to uptrend. Currently, as you can see, that it has broken out of this mini triangle. So I expect that to be reaching at this point and then going back again here, testing again the 45,000 level before it will revert back into an uptrend. If from that low or after the test, it will immediately make a break from this channel, then I would look for an opportunity again for me to buy to the upside. So if that will happen, what will I be expecting for the market to move in terms to the upside? So I will be expecting that the market would move at least up to 55,000. Since it is already near 50,000, therefore we could potentially expect that the market would want to break to the upside again. So, but if the 50,000 will hold, we would see a change, or we would see that at that level, the market will hold that level at 50,000. But currently, it doesn't show that yet. So we will be waiting for that to happen. Okay. So another trade that I took for today, it is at USD yen. So we're looking at my charts for USD yen under 1 hour time frame. So as you can see that it is currently, as with my basis for trend pro, it is currently trending in an uptrend. By the way, I also traded this last week, and I took my profits just before it went into a retracement. So I have already got a decent profit out of this. So I took my profits at around here, and what I did is just I waited for the opportunity for me to buy again after the retracement has already happened. So what I did is I waited for the break from this retracement, from this trend line that was formed from the high of last Friday. So we waited for the break of that, and then the retest, and with alignment on my 50-minute trend pro. So that's the time that I again entered the markets to the upside. So I expect that the market will reach at least at 105, 106 round number. So my stop, I just place it just below the swing here. And once that it has reached this high, which is at 105,500 or just above 105,500, I will be moving my stops to break even and take partial profits at this point. Why? Because if you're going to zoom out, you would be able to see that there is a significant level of resistance at this point, which is at 105,600 or 105,500. So that would be the zone that I am currently looking at, that the market could potentially react. But then again, my ultimate take profit level for this trade is I set it up to 106 round number, because there would be a point where it would be held again because of this resistance area. So I would be expecting that the market again would at least retrace, because currently the market has broken out from a large channel because we're looking already at our 4-hour time frame. So you could see that the market has broken out of a big channel. So you would see whether this would take the upside, because if it does, this will be a great big move to the upside, and we will expect a lot of profits. But since I am day trading, so I'm in and out of the market, and I'll be happy to capitalize on both sides of the market depending on what I am looking at whenever I see my charts. If you would want to trade with an honest broker and the one that will give you tight spreads and will enable you to trade Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies over the weekend, you can go ahead and look at my description below and sign up to my link, so that you will be able to trade cryptocurrencies and forex with tight spreads. And RoboForex is a very reliable broker, so I have been trading with them for a couple of years now, and very pleased with their service. And that's it, and I'll be seeing you again on my next video.